Picture a vast desert. The sun beats down mercilessly. The air is hot and dry. This is a land of extremes, yet life finds a way. Amongst the sand and rocks, a lone survivor stands tall. This is the cactus, a testament to nature's resilience. Cacti are a symbol of endurance. They thrive where other plants wither and die. Their ability to withstand the harshest conditions is remarkable. But how do they do it? Let's delve into the world of these fascinating plants. And overcome challenges. The secret to a cactus's success lies in its remarkable adaptations. One of the most important is their ability to store water. Their stems are fleshy and can swell to hold large amounts of water. This allows them to survive long periods of drought. Another key adaptation is their spines. These spines are modified leaves. They serve several purposes. They reduce water loss by limiting transpiration. They also protect the cactus from thirsty animals. Testament to their resilience. And gardens around the world. Harmony with our planet.